Hi, this is Ryan from Yuma. I'm here today in Shouguang City, China to give you a little tour of our 3.4 million square foot production facility. We have over 500 looms here, 1,200 employees, and we manufacture sunscreen fabrics, vertical blinds, roller shades, zebra shades, Shangri-La, Hanas, and honeycomb fabrics here. We also have 2 million square foot in the back reserved for anticipated future growth. So today I'm going to be walking you through the production process for our Suncool fabrics, and I also want to give you a little tour of the green energy practices that we put to use on a daily basis here. As you can see from the building behind me, the entirety of the roof is covered in solar panels that power this facility. So we got a lot to see, let's get right into it. As we maintain total quality control over the entire production process, the first step would be making our PVC pellets in-house. Our grade A PVC powder is added to the mixer above, along with additives for color fastness and other properties. The pellets then go through 2 rounds of filtration to dilute any defects and ensure only the best pellets are used in production. Behind me are over 250 German-imported SAM coating machines. The PVC pellets we saw earlier are melted in the heating chamber, which the yarn then passes through to be coated. It's then cooled and passes through a laser scanner that makes sure there's no more than a 0.01 millimeter deviation in the coating. This room is also temperature and humidity controlled to ensure that the coating on the yarn is as uniform as possible. After coating, the next step in the production process is warping on our German-imported Karl Mayer warping machines. This step ensures the yarn is of a uniform length and tension and is strong enough to move on to the weaving. Now for the fun part, weaving. We have over 500 German and Italian imported looms, all for different types of patterns and sizes. The weaving process goes on non-stop for weeks until the final roll is complete. This area behind me has over 500 looms where we do weaving for our roller shades and zebra shades. This is certainly one of the most important parts of the production process. This is our second heat treatment machine, which can accommodate roll widths up to 138 inches. Right now they're working on heat treatment for a zebra sunscreen fabric. And one interesting feature about this machine is it also has weft corruption capabilities. Before final packaging, we also have one additional layer of quality control. As you can see behind me, this rack hangs the fabric at 6 meters high to make sure that it lies flat. And when held up to light, we can also easily see if there's any color variation or cupping, V-shapes, holes. So this is just one additional step that gives us peace of mind before final packaging. Here we have our semi-automatic quality inspection machines and defect checkers with over 10 years of experience. Once a defect is detected, a sticker marks the spot, which is then recorded for future reference. Once the fabric is deemed acceptable, zebra shades are wrapped into 50-meter rolls, and roller and sunscreen fabrics are wrapped into 30-meter rolls, which are then packaged. As we're servicing over 70 countries worldwide, it's important that we find an efficient way of storing the rolls prior to their ship out. That's why Yuma invested $3 million into designing this fully automated 50,000 square foot smart warehouse. It can hold up to 160,000 units at any given time, and the little barcode on the roll's cap simplifies the storing and picking process, ensuring accuracy in the shipment preparation. That's all for today. I'm going to get some Xiaokao. I'll see you later.